We're going to take a lunch break now. We're going back to Cars Land for Cozy Cone, but we're taking 1 second here to check out all the sights of Pixar Pier because it looks beautiful. There's a lot going on in this land. Jessica's got her ears on. It must be serious time now.
And you're gonna take my picture.
I am definitely taking a picture. We gotta Instagram that joint.
You have
Talking about when they hand out the free treat.
Or you don't ask, they just give it to you.
Well, we can go and find out.
You think we have to mobile order?
I don't know. That's a good question. I hope not. Well, just, you know, because usually that'll probably make you wait a little bit longer. My logic is sound, Jessica. Don't question my logic.
I stand by my answer. Your logic is something.
Yeah, see, they got Christmas stuff out too, like you were saying.
Yeah.
It's weird being in a park that can't decide whether it wants to be Christmas or Halloween.
Yeah.
I mean, it makes more sense.
Very weird.
Makes more sense for it to be Christmas, I guess, but they still got Halloween stuff out everywhere. All right, Cozy Cone Motel. Okay, you want to see what you want and you go get a table?
We could go sit, grab a table and mobile order. And of course the bacon mac.
Yum yum. We're being pigs here and getting 2 different Cozy Cones.
And you want a fountain drink?
Yeah, you pick what you want.
Oh, you want Powerade?
You like Powerade?
Yeah.
All right, let's do Powerade.
Or...
You don't like blue Powerade, do you?
That's fine.
Pick what you want. Diet Coke's fine.
You sure?
Yeah, do Diet Coke. We had Coke last night for me. Share and share like Jessica.
Okay. Chili, bacon, Diet Coke.
Yep, sounds great. I'm excited about this. All right, our mobile order is ready, and I'm going to go check this out for the very first time. Shout out to Lou Mongell of the WDW Radio Podcast. He's the one who raves about this too, but my wife also read several articles and said we have to try this, so super excited.
$5.60. The chili cone, the bacon mac, and the Diet Coke?
Yep. Chili con queso, bacon mac and cheese. That's a happy wife. What's the verdict?
Winner, winner, Cozy Cone dinner.
Oh my goodness. So you can see we've almost finished demolishing the chili con queso, which has got beans, obviously chili, and cheese in it, and corn chips on top. We've destroyed the mac and cheese bacon one that I'm devouring the last bit of the cone. You got a favorite?
No, because I love going back and forth.
Oh, we literally just like scoop it out of each other's cone and then decided we just stay with these last couple ones here. So, I have a feeling I'm gonna finish up eating all the cones probably. Did you see it was called the petting zoo? The Tomater's Petting Zoo. I think so. So we're basically doing different swirling saucers.
Just Mater's version.
Just Mater's version. You know, this one was the first one.
Oh,
They-
no.
Yeah, this is where they copied that idea from.
Okay.
So just different thing means same right. Yes. Two, one card to your right hand side. Hi guys, how many over here? Ooh, sun.
Hallelujah.
amazing. Now it's like warm out.
Sarge used to go swimming when he was in the army. In the
Yes.
motor pool.
We're on the farm.
Hey everybody! Welcome to the cutest little town in Carburetor County. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside them trailers. And don't forget to keep an eye on your little ones. Miss Sally,
We are strapped in.
These are favorite.
Not very securely, but we're here.
I can't fit in this because
Hold it off
I
a
ate too much.
dodo.
I know. Whose idea was this?
Parasusagura died.
Well, if we puke it up, then, you know, we'll be skinnier. Have more room for more food.
So you want it.
Can you see in that rearview mirror at all?
No. Here, I've noticed.
Now you never guessed by the looks
Nobody
of it,
hears
but I
the
made that
signature
there
for us,
junkyard
like they do
jukebox all by my lonesome. Yes, sir,
hospitality.
mighty professional like. Just listen. Yes, sir, that is one smooth instrument, a musical of music.
We should have gone over there and see what's in the sun.
It's true. But we'll spin over there, like you go, eventually. I wonder where we'll end up.
Oh, you don't end up in the same
Now
spot?
I'm no stranger to fame. Everyone here knows my name. I'm just a truthful discoverer.
This is where you can watch my cheeks. See, ours moves a lot slower. So wait for
Here we go. I'm holding on to stuff. Here we go.
somebody got in trouble.
Yeah. Oh. Oh no, son!
It's meant to be in the shade.
Jessica has forgotten how to read signs, apparently.
That's assuming I ever knew how to read them.
It's weird hearing the Avengers theme music right over there.
I've seen this.
And then we have country music going on right here with Tomater. Do you see the tires like our pumpkins? Yes. Do you even go here? Will you sing us a song while we're out there?
Nope.
Please?
Never.
Why not?
Because I'm a terrible singer.
You're not a terrible singer.
Yes, I am.
You're not as bad as me, though.
That's true.
I don't know. I think she said she's a row. Oh, look, he's feeling the orange.
He's having time of his life.
Oh, look, he's okay, we get,
I'm not doing
no,
that.
do it for me on camera.
No.
Jet, you have to show. Come on, show them how you do it. That's better. That's not bad. Yes, Peach. Well,
Can get this show on the road? Okay.
get the orange. Go, 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 go.
Too late.
Nope. I don't know where to go. Here, you're driving, not me. Oh, we can't fit. It's that chocolate bar we ate.
I really want another bite of that. Hey, we don't have any luggage.
What happened to our luggage?
We can't go on the trip.
All right, Jessica, let's see it. Practice it for me. No, see, you can't go. It's light. It's light.
I said, flinging my webs. I'm a Italian web slinger. That's what I'm doing. Italian web slinging.
Make that noise again. Look at the.
And now, my cousin
Oh.
Rosetta, sing a song you never forget.
You're watching everybody go dancing.
Go to the wall. Dang. Oh, we're in the middle. Look. Oh, look at this. Are you ready for it? Are you ready? Here we go.
Bellissimo! Please collect all your personal belongings and step out carefully. Come back again. Arrivederci.
That was fun.
Buongiorno,
That was really fun.
buongiorno.